All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. I put a battery in the Himalayan today here, and the clock's reading wrong, so I thought this would be a good chance just to give you a little bare bones video on how to set the clock. This is a 21. I think this goes for pretty much all your Himalayans. I'm not sure about the brand new ones, but the new body style ones, I guess you'd say. But it's about 8:55 here, current time. Excuse me, it's reading 5:59. So let's start by holding the two buttons here, mode and select. I know it's dark out here, but hold these down for 3 seconds and that should get the hour flashing there. And then we'll use the select button here to select 8. Okay. And then we'll hold down the select button again until the minutes start flashing. And we're going to do 55. Bear with me. Okay, got that. Then we're going to hold it again for another 3 seconds because it's PM here. And then you can either wait 20 seconds or hold this again. And there you have it. So that's all there is to it, guys. That's a quick and easy way to set it. Let's see, let's turn it off and back on. Yep, 8:55. All right, so that does it, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Just a quick, easy video. There's a couple of them already out there I actually used to learn a while back, so I thought I'd just add one if you guys that watch the channel have a Himalayan. All right, guys, take care. Safe out there. Have a good one.